Hello everyone, welcome to your channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to boot a USB drive in command line. So first of all, make sure you have at least 8 GB of USB drive. So open start menu and write CMD. Open it as an administrator. At first you can write disk part, list disk, select disk 1. In my case, as you can see, it's 58 GB. So now clean, create partition primary, select partition 1, active. Now we can format it. Format fs equal to ntfs, and we want to do it quickly. There is also other choices like instead of NTFS you can use FAT32 or exFAT. Assign and exit. Now I have already downloaded the ISO file, so you can open it, right click it and mount to drive F, or we can go to drive F in here and select them all and send them to your USB drive. So I hope it helps, and if you like the video, subscribe my channel and wait for the next video. Thank you so much.